Alright, watch the baby.
Whoa. Whoa, what's in here? Whoa. That's a closet. Another closet. Hey, Mom.
What, the flowers?
Yeah.
You tell Mommy. You can tell
Mom.
Real
Snow.
pretty colors. No, you know.
I like the idea of a washroom.
We want to leave. Holy moly, that's a lot of money.
Yes, honey. You better start saving your pennies.
We do. I only have 3 pennies in my cup holder. I'm taking off my shoes. Hey, look,
Come on, Cassie. Let's see what the rest of this place looks like.
See now, it's like the big bedroom. What was it?
Master bedroom.
Oh,
That's what this is. This is the master bathroom.
master bedroom. Oh, Mom, this is my bedroom.
Yeah.
Bathroom, let me see.
I mean, a tub and a sink and...
Oh, you gotta look at this closet.
Yeah, you know what though? My bathroom in my house doesn't have a tub.
Ollie.
Like my master, quote unquote, master bathroom is very small.
Come on, Cassie.
The bedrooms are bigger than the other one. 2 kids could share this room, all right.
This is. Wait, no.
Wait, let me look at the closet.
Hey.
Let me see.
No, that's kind of tiny.
Where's the
Do I
master?
see